This plant grows 3 feet in a single day, and it's stronger than steel. This is bamboo, not a tree, a giant grass that can tower 30 meters into the sky, build homes for over 1 billion people, and flower only once in a century before dying. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant ever recorded on Earth. Some species grow up to 91 centimeters in a single day. Its tensile strength can reach 28,000 psi, comparable to mild steel, earning it the nickname green steel. Bamboo sequesters up to 12 tons of CO2 per hectare per year, outperforming many tree species. It can be harvested every 3 to 5 years without killing the plant, regenerating endlessly from its rhizomes. And in 1880, Thomas Edison used a carbonized bamboo filament to create the first commercially successful light bulb. It burned for over 1,200 hours. Plant bamboo in spring or at the start of the rainy season in well-drained, loamy soil with plenty of organic matter. Keep the soil consistently moist for the first 2 to 3 years. This is when the rhizome system develops. And choose wisely. Clumping bamboos like Bambusa stay contained, while running types like Philostachys will spread aggressively without barriers. Do install a deep HDPE rhizome barrier, at least 60 centimeters deep, if planting running species. Do wait 3 to 5 years before harvesting culms for structural use. Don't plant running bamboo in small gardens without containment, and don't underwater during establishment. Bamboo needs consistent moisture to thrive. Bamboo is not just a plant. It is a living material, a carbon vault, and a symbol of resilience that has shaped civilizations for thousands of years. Learn about it, grow it wisely, and let it remind you that strength and flexibility can live in the same stem. Restore, protect, inspire.